Hello everyone, this is Vishal. Welcome back to my channel, Vishalsvlog. You must be thinking, why am I wearing the same clothes? Because the video has been taken on the same time the day I had taken the video for the Vento. I am going to take another video for another car. Today I am going to do a car. It's a very different car. It's a British car, Rover Mini. Car is, you can see over here. This car belongs to a friend. His name is Sharad. Sharad,
Yeah,
thanks a lot, Sharad, to take out time and come over here. So tell me something about your car.
Yeah, this is a 2016 model Mini Cooper S with a John Cooper Works badge in it.
Okay.
I mean, the badge comes with new air intake, upgraded air intake, upgraded tune, like with 30 HP gain from 192 horsepower to 210 horsepower. So now it's putting out 210 wheel horsepower now, and it has got a downpipe and an exhaust.
Okay. And what about torque?
What torque is 320 Nm. The normal Cooper S comes out with 280 Newton meter torque. 280 Newton meter torque.
Okay.
So yeah. And it's fully spec'd with options. It's maxed out on options.
Okay.
And it has even got the carbon fiber exhaust tips.
Okay.
Which is also special. Okay. And also it has got an upgraded wheels from the factory, 17 inches.
Okay.
And it's basically a black car, fully black car.
Okay.
And I've wrapped it in white.
Oh, I mean, it's a black car?
Yeah,
wrapped in white.
Wrapped in a satin white color.
Okay. Okay.
I mean, it's full body wrap.
Okay.
And basically, I've upgraded the brake pads, CB's yellow stuff.
Okay.
And nothing much. That's the modification. I mean, it's also a Valvetronic exhaust system.
Okay.
From the factory.
Okay. This is a 2000 liter, 2000
yeah,
cc.
2000 cc engine.
Okay.
Yeah, from the BMW, and it's basically from the
BMW. Okay.
And also, it's got an adaptive dampers too.
Adaptive dampers?
Yeah, adaptive dampers.
Okay, so you can change it according to your, the way you want to go in sports.
Like it will stiffen up and it will...
Normal mode, probably a comfort mode
mode will be like more...
Okay. So this is the 2-liter engine, petrol engine from BMW Mini. You can see the badging, John Cooper's work, tuning kit over here.
So this car has got the upgraded intake system. So you can see the intake from two sides, which is not actually the case in the normal Cooper S.
Okay.
And also it's got the tuning kit. You can see the tuning kit number here.
Okay.
I mean the car which is in India. So it's basically just the tune.
Okay.
It has got the same
badging over here. Sports.
And you can see the John Cooper Works badging in the necks, in the back side. And it's got an upgraded wheel, 17 inches. I mean, it's an RFT tire, size is 215, 45, 17 inches.
It's a
Hankook rubber. And this got the upgraded brake pads, which is from EB's yellow stuff. And it's also it has got the adaptive suspension, which has 3 settings, and you can according to your. It's the comfort setting, which is too soft on the roads, and the mid setting, that is like when you're driving it in the cities, you want it to be sporty, and it has got the track mode, which is like it's very stiff. You can't drive it in the normal roads.
Okay.
And here you can see the John Cooper Works badging over in the back. And the really special one here is the carbon fiber tips from the factory. It's really expensive now. It's an expensive option here available. I mean, the tips alone cost you around 50,000.
Wow.
And so this is fully spec'd car. I mean the adaptive suspension alone comes with a price tag of 2.5 lakhs, and the sunroof comes with a cost of 2.75, and it has Harman Kardon audio system, 12-speaker audio system, which costs around which costs around 2.75 lakhs. That's also an extra option.
Okay.
And the John Cooper version alone costs you around 5 lakhs extra. I mean, you have to pay around 5 lakhs extra from the normal Cooper S. So on road, it actually comes in the sports car class. So the tax is also increased. Okay. So that's why you pay around 60 lakhs for this car. Right?
Okay.
And it's a two-seater. It's actually two-seater, but you can fit 4 adults inside, because we have tried it all.
You have tried it?
Yeah, I mean, I mean, him sitting in the front and I'm sitting in the back, you know. For
Him
a
sitting in the front, I'll tell you, it is Prashant who's taking the video at present. You would have seen him in the last video where we had taken the video of the Vento, the owner of the Vento. He's the one who's taking the video right now.
Yeah, we both are 6 feet, around 6 feet.
Yeah.
So we could fit in this car.
Okay.
I mean, it looks really small, but you know, inside the space is very. I mean, it's adequate.
Okay. Why not? Let's go for a drive in this
Yeah.
car. Tell me something about what all things I'm looking over here. I can see some switches over here. I can see some switches over here.
Yeah, here this one is for changing the modes of the car. I mean,
Okay.
this one changes the damping system and
Okay.
the engine response system and the gearbox response system.
Okay.
Everything changes over here. Like you can just push it like this, and you'll see the, you know, see.
Okay.
Maximum go.
Maximum go.
Sport mode, and you can go for the mid mode, and you have the
Green mode.
So that's 3 settings over here.
Okay.
And here you get the 2-zone climate control system. And next, this here is the special one. See?
What's this?
Yeah. This
What?
one, guess what? This is for, you know, opening the valves of the exhaust.
Wow. Okay.
It's Bluetooth, it's Bluetooth activated.
Okay. So you need to press it, or how is it done?
Yeah, you need to like
Just press
press
this.
it 2 times. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this starts making. I can see the engine not changing.
You can notice the exhaust.
Okay.
No rumble.
Okay.
And it's got the torque converter with the paddle shifts in it.
Oh.
So the steering with the paddle shift comes with the cost of 85,000. That's an extra option.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shall we?
Yeah.
So guys, this is the first time I'm driving a Rover Mini John Cooper special car, and I can't tell you the feelings what I'm having right now. Unbelievable. Oh, the sound. Too good. You won't believe I'm already driving at 80, and it looks like I've just started it. Yeah, I don't know whether my mic is catching the sound of the exhaust. Awesome exhaust sound. It is too good. Unbelievable drive. The steering feel is awesome.
You can feel all the road. I mean, the surface of the road. You know, you can feel all that in your steering wheel. You can feel all that. Suspension really stiffens up.
It is like awesome feel to drive a Rover Mini, and that to a John Cooper special. Unbelievable drive, and the seats are so comfortable. It just holds you properly, and it doesn't look like it's a small car because kind of handling it has. Unbelievable.
Now I'll quickly change the damping system.
Okay.
Yeah, wait. You can just feel that. See?
Ah, okay, yeah.
Feel the difference.
So now it was on sports mode. Now it's gone to green mode.
Even the accelerator pedal, it'll feel sluggish.
Yes.
I'll quickly change it to sport mode. You see?
This is
Now
itself.
you floor it.
Oh God, this is too good. The sound is so. I love the sound of the exhaust note. Too good, too good. Okay. So Sharad, all it is one question in the end. Kitna deti hai? How much does it give? This is a lifestyle vehicle. I can understand very well. This is a lifestyle vehicle. The person who buys this vehicle will never ask what's the mileage, but the general public, everybody.
Yeah, even while buying this car, I was worried about it. I use this car daily.
Oh, it's a daily drive for you.
It's a daily drive car for me.
Okay.
I was really battling between BRS and all the other cars.
Okay.
You won't believe it. I get 13 kilometer per liter in the city. Now,
Unbelievable.
Yeah, if you put it in the green mode, and I took this car with 4 persons to Tirunelveli, I got 15.5 kilometer per liter. You won't believe it. And not even once, I had a problem with the speed breakers and all the other things. You know how the road in Indian roads. And I got 15.5 kilometer per liter. Like the round trip.
Okay.
It was unbelievable.
Okay.
Even I couldn't believe it.
Okay.
With the 2-liter engine in it and mini, I never heard that before. And I think like most people don't use this car. That's why, like they think it's really low on mileage and all. I drive a GT TSI too, and I get the same mileage in the GT TSI too.
Fine.
It's fine. It's fine by me.
Yeah, I don't know. How is started again automatically?
Yeah, like if the temperature really goes down
Okay.
from the temperature you said,
Okay.
it automatically starts. It's
the AC temperature?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's the basic, BMW start-stop system.
Okay.
Which you can switch it off if you want to.
Okay.
Like if you go in the city, this really helps in the fuel efficiency.
Okay.
Yeah, like if you go, like if you stop in the traffic, the car will automatically switch off. And if you lift off the brake, it will automatically start off and start the engine and move off.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So this really helps.
Okay. And what are all these switches for over here? One is the start and stop.
Starting. That one is for the traction control.
This is for traction control. And this one?
Start-stop system.
The start-stop system. And these are all the AC ones.
AC ones and all.
This is all the AC. And what about here? This is various music system. Music system is this is the music system.
This is the music system. And this is not a touchscreen.
This is not a touch screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sad story. At this price point, you expect a touch screen.
Exactly,
right?
I know.
Yeah. See, the controls are over here.
The controls are all down over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see the speakers here.
The speakers are over here.
Over here and here. You can see here, and you can see the subwoofer under the seat.
Okay, there's a subwoofer below the seat.
Below the seat. So you have 2 subwoofers, 5 mid-range speakers, and 5 tweeters.
Wow.
So it's totally 12 speaker system.
Okay. And what about all these switches on the
this
wheels?
is for the cruise control.
This is for the cruise control.
Cruise control, and this is
This
for
is
all the
audio system and your phone. So this is all Android Auto.
No, it's not.
This is not.
Yeah, the model from 2018 comes with CarPlay, Android Auto system.
Okay.
And you have to pay for that price,
Okay.
extra 3 lakhs.
Only for that?
Yeah, for that system and the heads-up display.
Okay.
For that, it's like 3 lakhs more.
What about the maintenance part?
Yeah, the maintenance part is actually not that bad. When I first took it out to the service center, they billed me around 20,000. It's not that bad.
20,000
for the oil service, and the only downside here is for the brake pads. That one's really expensive. Like they charge around 25,000 for the brake pads. That's the only downside in this car if you go to the, if you go to the BMW showrooms and all. Okay. So I got it fixed in the aftermarket shops. You get, installing brakes not that big of a deal. Okay. So I got it done in the other shops, and it cost me around 10,000.
50% down.
Yeah, 50%, like 50 to 60% down.
So guys, you saw the review about the Rover Mini S John Cooper special car. Thanks a lot, Sharad, to get the car.
Yeah, the pleasure was
and giving me your precious time to do a review on your car. It was just lovely driving this car also. It was a great drive I had, and I loved reviewing your car. This is the first time I am reviewing a Mini Cooper. I have never done that, and driving it was my pleasure. I just enjoyed it. So thanks a lot.
Reviews about the Mini Cooper and its expensive,
parts. Definitely, I was shocked when you told me that the mileage you get was unbelievable. On longs you're getting 13, 14 is unexpected in this kind of cars, and getting, when you are driving it in a sports mode and you're driving it on a track, it still gives you 8 unbelievable mileage for this car. And can't forget the exhaust note of this car. It is too good. So thanks a lot again, once again, Sharad. Thanks a lot for getting the car.
Pleasure was all mine.
And so guys, I hope you would have liked my video. My first review of a British made car, Rover Mini. So if you have liked my video, please do like, please do subscribe, and please do share my videos, and yes, please do leave your comments. Until then, wear your seatbelts, drive safe, and enjoy your drive. Bye bye.